Hi, welcome back to Kathy's Works. I want to wish you a very happy Thanksgiving. I'm here in Oklahoma with my family and we will be eating a roasted chicken. So I hope your family is able to gather and have a nice meal as well. This video is going to demonstrate how to make a cute pleated ruffle around a placemat using a basic technique. So hang out with me and I'll show you how to do it. To begin with, you'll need your basic sewing materials, your machine, scissors, and all that stuff. But for the project, you will need, I'll speak in a miniature type way. You'll need, in order to make a ruffle this size for this project, I'm demonstrating using a 3-inch wide piece of fabric to the length. And of course, this is a sample. Bear in mind, when you make your actual ruffle for your project, you will have to, do much longer length than this. But to go over the process, you take your 3-inch wide piece of fabric, you fold pretty sides together, and then you sew a 1/4-inch seam allowance down the length of the ruffle that you need to make to fit around your project. Okay? Once you get all the length of your ruffle sewn, which you can see how long it gets to fit around this small placemat here, then you will use a dowel stick. A dowel stick to turn out the pretty sides of the fabric. And you just work your way through that process. And it's going to take some time, but be patient and you will finally get everything turned out till you get to the very end. Okay? After you get your fabric turned out, then you will need to press it nicely. And let me get to the end. Where is the end? Okay, here it is. You'll press it nice and flat. And then you will begin to form what's called a pleat, which I started that process on the other end of this example. Okay, so you take the end, make a fold, and then pin. Move over a little bit, make a fold, and pin. And you do that the whole length of your ruffle. Okay? All right. After you get all that in place, then you will take it to the sewing machine and you will top stitch the top of that ruffle. Okay, you'll just barely get that stitch down. Okay, then you will make layers. You'll have your layer of batting, you'll have your pretty side fabric with your ruffle, and then your pretty side. And you will sew all of this around. You'll leave a gap to put your hand. You will sew all the way around so you can lift it up and turn it out. And that is called a flip finish. And then when you get it turned out, you will clip some of that bulk away at the ends and things. So hopefully you can imagine the project flipped out. Okay, once you get it all flipped out, then you're going to have to take it back to the machine and top stitch some more to make the placemat flatter. And then after that, you can quilt. For this demonstration, I just did straight line quilting down this. So if I can do this project, you can too. And I wish you the best Thanksgiving holiday. My next video will speak up to these paper flowers. that I have, and I plan on applying them above a window in my dining area. So stay tuned. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.